I'd like a banana, please.
Curry or maybe?
Maybe.
How about a body weight?
What's the body weight?
It's a gentle pound.
Is it easy to manage?
Yes.
Okay, I'll leave it up to you.
Do you live in Nakameguro?
No, I live in Shibuya.
How do you know about this salon?
My friend comes here.
Oh, really? What's his name?
John Lennon. Do you know him?
Yes, he's British, isn't he?
Yes, he comes from London. I'd like a phone, please.
Are you a lady?
Baby,
How about a body weight?
what's a body weight?
It's a gentle pound.
Is it easy to manage?
Yes.
Okay, I'll leave it up to you. Did you go to a Hanoi party?
Yes, I did.
Where did you go?
I went to Luna Park.
How was it?
It was great.
Did you drink sake?
Yes, I think I drank too much.